Please help me. Get him away from me.
911, this is Evelyn. Do you need police, fire, or
I need help,
EMS?
please. I need help, please. I need help, please. Please, he's threatening my life. I need help.
Okay, do you know where you are?
I'm in Rock Creek Apartments in the wood behind the apartments. He won't leave me alone. He's got knives. He's threatening me and the dog with him. I can't get him away from me.
Okay, you said Rock Creek?
Rock Creek Apartments on Belline Road. Oh my God! Please.
Is he white, black, Hispanic?
I'm sorry, what? I'm sorry, what?
Is he white, black, Hispanic?
White.
What color shirt and pants does he have on?
The black jeans, denim jeans, no shirt. Get away. Oh my God, he was
I'm about 6'11". I finally landed my bad. I'm 34 years old.
You don't know this person?
I do. He won't leave me alone.
I don't want no harm. Don't outside my life. I'm here to straighten you out.
Step outside.
I don't want to come outside.
Step outside.
No.
Show me your hands.
Can you step outside? Can y'all fucking hurt first?
Yes, we will.
This is my dog.
All right. Let me see your hands.
Sorry, but he has a dog. We beat him at the
Show me now.
Hey, first, hey guys, listen up. You, male, come out.
Show me your hands, both hands.
I'm not going to fuck with you as long as you ain't going to fuck with me. I'm not trying to hurt
Let me see your hands.
Baby.
There's no reason for y'all to see my
Right.
hands. I'm not going to hurt y'all.
Just be quiet. Just be
I
quiet.
don't threaten my life, and I ain't going to threaten y'all's life.
No.
Back it up. Back it up.
Drop the knife. Drop the knife.
Drop the fucking knife. Drop the knife.
The knife.
Drop the fucking knife.
I don't give a fuck.
Drop the knife.
No, drop the knife.
Drop the knife.
Hey, ma'am, get out the tent.
Don't threaten my dog.
Ma'am, get out the fucking tent. Ma'am, get out the tent.
No.
Hey, let her get out.
Let her get out.
Let her get out.
Let her get out.
Fuck you. Leave my dog.
Leave my dog.
No.
Come to me, ma'am.
Get out the tent.
Let
her go. He's holding the dog.
I don't have her. I have my dog.
Put your head under that. Put your head under
Let her go.
Hey, can I come and help her?
Help her. Just don't get anywhere near me.
I'm gonna come and help her, okay?
Bernard, you're getting out. Bernard, you're good.
So I can come and help her, right?
I want my stains out. I want to go, man.
Put your knee up.
That's too many bad experiences with y'all, man.
Look, I got nothing in my hand.
Doing it no more.
I got nothing.
You still do have tasers?
Well, that's not my uniform. I can't take it off.
I know. I can't take my knife off.
Pull your foot up.
Okay?
I'm only here for her.
I respect you, man.
Okay?
Respect y'all and what y'all do.
Thank you for that.
I'm not trying to make y'all's lives hard, man.
Thank you for that.
I want to make y'all's lives hard.
Thank you for that. I really appreciate that.
I'm
What's wrong? What's hurting?
a good guy, man.
What's her name?
I threw the suitcase on the bed.
Hey, what is her name?
What's that?
What's her name? I need you to get up and hop on one foot.
I'm leaving her alone.
I need you to hop on one foot, okay?
You can go ahead and get her.
All right, I'm gonna come and help her out, okay?
Y'all don't need to.
I need to come help her, okay?
Y'all stay away from me.
You stay over here.
Y'all stay away from me because I will.
I'm gonna help her, okay?
I promise y'all.
We're not gonna mess with you.
Can I help her?
Yeah, you can help her.
Okay then, you stay right there. Don't
Stay
move.
right here. Don't you even fucking come in.
Hey, don't
Don't
move.
you even fucking come in. You are approaching me, motherfucker.
Hey, Mercedes, stay there.
Back
Stay there.
up.
You good?
Back up.
You good? Hey,
I'm not playing with you.
he's right there. I'm gonna be with her, okay? You good?
Yes, I'm good.
All right. Hey, Miss,
Okay.
come here.
What he said.
Can you hold your dog?
I got my dog, man.
Hold your dog. Ma'am, come here, okay? Give me your hands.
I love you.
Give me your hands, ma'am. Keep moving back, okay?
Keep moving back. You want your bag?
No, would you leave me alone?
Keep coming back.
alone.
Keep coming back.
There's a
There's a pull. All right. Okay. Go on this side, ma'am. Go on this side. The other side, okay?
If you can help me stand on my angle.
Well, come over here so I can help you stand.
That's not going to hold you up. I have a knife. I will throw it.
All right.
Where am I going?
Hey, Cody, we good. He's staying right there.
Okay.
They need to put their weapons down.
Where am I going?
They're for my protection. Hey, they're for my protection, okay?
There's no reason for them to mess with me anymore.
They're for my protection.
This is my home, not his.
Ma'am, we're not worried about your
It's my home. All of my belongings are in there. He has no belongings in there. There's nothing in there that belongs to him except for a few things.
90%
Hey, take your hand. Back up. Drop the knives and come out with your hands up.
Kill me, bitch! Kill me, bitch! Ah, fuck you, dude!
So you saw knives, man.
Fuck you, dude! God, you motherfucker! Fuck you, motherfucker, dude! Fuck you, motherfucker! Get him, buddy! Get him, buddy! Get him, buddy!
Sarge, get away from that opening. Get away from the opening, Sarge.
Logan, die!
You can't get that knife through that tarp.
Fuck with me, bitches! Fuck with me, bitches! Fuck with me! You're scared!
I don't have sight. Is he in the corner?
He's right here.
Right here?
Yeah. So he's picking up knives and tossing.
Shoot it! It ain't fucking worth it!
It ain't worth it, man! You're dead! Pop him in the leg. Come on, guys. Come on, guys.
Stinger! Watch out, I'm reloading. Announce Stinger!
Come out!
Come on, hands up!
Fuck you! I'll kill you! I'm gonna kill you, come get it! Buddy, I'm sorry, man. I love you, dude.
Put the fucking knife down!
Fuck you!
Pop his knee with a 40.
Dude, he's got the fucking knife in his hand, though.
Pop him in the knee with a 40.
Fuck you!
I got a fucking shot.
Y'all taking days of my life away! Fuck y'all! Fuck you, dude! Ow! You pussy bitch! Come on with it!
Hey, get more, make sure we have ammo for this Stinger.
Come out.
Fuck! Shots fired! Drop it, Cody! Drop it!
Logan, die!
Can we cut it?
Fuck with me, bitches! Fuck with me, bitches! Fuck with me! You're scared!
I don't have sight. Is he in the corner?
He's right here.
Right here? And 4.
He's picking up knives and tossing. Cody, it ain't fucking worth it!
It ain't worth it, man! You're dead! Come on, guys. Come on, guys.
On your right.
Stinger, Stinger. Fuck you. Oh, goddamn, fuck you. Sorry, motherfucker. Everybody. Everybody.
Now Stinger.
Come out. Come out, hands up. Fuck you. I'll kill you. I'm gonna kill you. Come get me. Buddy, I'm sorry, man. I love you, dude. Put the fucking knife down. Fuck you. Fuck you, friend in my life. Fuck you.
Sarge, you tell me when.
Fuck you. You're killing me and my dog. You're taking days of my life away. Fuck y'all. Fuck you, dude. Ow. You pussy bitch. Come on.
Hey, get more, make sure we have ammo for this Stinger. Come out. Shots fired! Drop it, Cody, drop it! Put the fucking knife down! Pop his knee with a 40.
Fuck you, friend in my life.
Pop him in the knee with a 40.
Sarge, you tell me when. Fuck you. You're killing me and my dog. No, take your days of my life away! Fuck y'all! Fuck you, dude! Ow! Pussy bitch!
Hey, get more, make sure we have ammo for this stinger. It's about to come out. Shots fired! Drop it, Cody, drop it! Back up, back up! Back up! 50 shots fired. It's okay. Back everybody the fuck up! More. Hold up. No, it's alright. It's okay, everybody bring it down. Bring it down. Damn it! We need DFR to get closer. Get DFR in here. He's going, fuck the dog. Cody, can you hear me? Cody, man. Cody, man. Okay. Back to Bory, look. You good? We're good. Okay. Are we good grenade or not? Okay. Cody. Come on, man.
Cody, put your hands to the side, Cody.
Gloves on.
I got gloves on.
Okay.
Cody, put your hands to your side, Cody. Cody.
Dog's coming through. Cody, man. He's still got I don't know what the fuck. Does he have anything with his hands, Sarge?
No, he doesn't. Okay. His hands are empty. Come on, get in there, and let's cuff him.
Gloves. Who's got gloves?
Who's got first aid? Let's go.
Rip him out. Pull him out in front of him. Right here.
Turn him over. Cut that shit. Turn him over. Come on.
Everywhere, like
They're in training.
Are we gonna take him out?
Yeah, we're gonna
It's all flat.
One glove.
Mom.
Hey, land flat. Where does he hit?
Right and out right there.
Okay. Go.
Hey, Cody, breathe, man.
Keep breathing, Cody.
You're gonna be all right, man. Just keep breathing. Cody, can you talk to us? Keep breathing, man.
He's over here.
It looks like he's kind of head somewhere. I don't know where.
Don't let the whole pressure on.
Yeah, that's
Where's he hit?
right here.